it's Friendly Advice again. Today I'm gonna make tandoori roti at home, restaurant style. Very easy to do, so follow my tips and you will enjoy your tandoori roti with your dal makhni, paneer or whatever. So I've rolled the roti and I'm gonna put some water on it. Make sure it's very important step to put water on it, okay? And then I'm gonna lift it and I'm gonna put it in the pan, okay? So here we go. So I open the pan and I put the one that has water on it into the pan and I press it, okay? Nicely. Make sure it sticks nicely to the pan. Then I'm going to close it and I'm going to put 2 minutes timer to make sure my tandoori roti cooks nicely, okay? So let's open this up and as you can see, there are bubbles on the tandoori roti. When this happens, we are going to flip this pan and I'm going to put it on the gas stove, okay? Because I want my tandoori roti to cook on the other side. When you're putting this way, you have to watch it for a few minutes, okay? So it's only like 1 or 2 minutes and then the tandoori roti should be ready. So as you can see, look what's happening. It is cooking nicely. Can you see it? So I'm going to cook it a little bit more and you will see what a perfect tandoori roti is going to come out, and it's going to taste so good with my dal makhni. Look at this, it's happening, it's cooking. It's going to be like restaurant style. I'm going to cook it. As you can see, it just comes off. Look at this. And I'm going to show you both sides. And it tastes amazing. It tastes so good. It tastes so good. So here it is. My tandoori roti is all ready. All ready to go. I'm gonna put some ghee on it. And you can enjoy your tandoori roti with your dal makhani.